Today, I'm going to teach you how to encrypt and decrypt a Microsoft Access database. This is a crucial security feature that protects your sensitive data by requiring a password to access your database files. Let's walk through both processes step by step. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Access app on your computer. Once the application launches, go ahead and load the database you want to encrypt. This could be any Access database file you've been working on, whether it contains customer information, financial records, or any other data you need to secure. After your database is fully loaded, you'll see your data tables and other database elements. To begin the encryption process, open one of your database tables first. This is an important preliminary step before accessing the encryption options. With a table open, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll find the main menu ribbon. Now click on File in the top menu. This will open a drop-down menu with various database management options. From this File menu, locate and click on Info. The Info section is where Microsoft Access houses important database properties and security features, making it the central hub for managing your database settings. In the Info section, you'll see several options related to your database. Look for the option labeled Encrypt with Password and click on it. This is the gateway to securing your database. Once you click this option, a dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a password. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to maximize security. Type your password carefully and confirm it when prompted. After you've set your password, click OK to apply the encryption. Your database is now encrypted and protected. The decryption process is quite straightforward and happens naturally when you need to access your encrypted database. Simply locate and open your encrypted Microsoft Access database file as you normally would. However, this time you'll immediately be met with a password prompt before you can view any of the database contents. This is the decryption checkpoint working to protect your data. Enter the password you created during the encryption process. Make sure you type it exactly as you said it, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters. Once you've entered the correct password, click OK. Microsoft Access will decrypt the database and grant you full access to all your tables, queries, forms, and reports. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to encrypt your Microsoft Access database to protect sensitive information and how to decrypt it when you need access. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.